Hello, my name is Brittany Teacher. Today is Thursday, March 5th, 2020. I'm here to do the AHA Grammar lesson for class 303. Today we are working in our AHA Grammar 2 student books. We are going to do pages 96 to 103. Today we are learning about prepositions of place. This is just a fancy way of saying that we need to describe where something is. The easiest way to remember prepositions is to think about where they are related to a box. Something is in a box, on a box, under a box, in front of a box, behind a box, or next to a box. These words describe the relationship between two objects. In, on, under, in front of, behind, and next to are all prepositions. Let's do some exercise. Let's practice using prepositions together. I'm going to say a sentence. I want you to point to the picture and repeat. The ball is in the box. The bear is on the ball. The slippers are under the bed. Where is the car? It is in front of the house. Where are the rabbits? They are behind the tree. Where is the clock? It is next to the TV. Now you practice reading these sentences by yourself. Let's keep going. Next page. Look and mark O or X. O means yes, X means no, okay? O, number 1, the lamp is behind the bed. X, because why? Where is the lamp? That's right, the lamp is next to the bed, not behind the bed. Number 2, the girl is in front of the door. That's right, she is in front of the door. So for number 2, we are going to say O. Try number 3 and 4 by yourself. We will send you an answer key so you can check your answers later. B, look, circle, and write. Number 1, the clock is in, on, or next to the TV. We will circle and write next to. The clock is next to the TV. What about number 2? The chairs are on, behind, or under the table. That's right, they're behind the table. Circle behind and write behind in the blank. Try 3, 4, and 5 by yourself. Let's keep going. Next page. Remember, you can pause this video at any time and hit play when you're ready to start again. 98. Look and write. We have a list of prepositions here. I don't think we want to use them more than one time. So let's try to keep track by X striking out anytime we use one of these words. We can choose in, on, under, in front of, behind, or next to. Let's look at this one, number 1. Where is the rabbit? It is in the hat. What about this one? Where is the rabbit? It is, that's right, on the hat. Write the word on and then X through on. On. Try the rest by yourself. D, look and write. Let's look at our example. Number 1, where is the girl? She is in front of the door. For this exercise, you need to pay attention to how many of something there is, and then you also need to use the right preposition. If you don't remember how to write this sentence, you can use the picture. The picture's on this page to help you. Just find the picture again. For example, number 2. Do you remember seeing this picture? That's right, it's here. It says the chairs are behind the table. So we already know they are behind the table. We can write behind here. For all of these, we're going to begin the sentence with where. Where, where, where. But we don't know if we should say is or are. Where is the girl? There's only one girl, so we say is. How many chairs are there? That's right, there's 2. So we need to say, where are the chairs? Same thing for number 3. We will begin by asking where. And how many fish are there? Where, the fish. I see 1, 2, 3. So will we say, where is the fish? No, we will say, where are the fish? Because there's more than one. So where are the fish? They are, the fish tank. Use your pictures from the previous page to help you answer. Try number 4 by yourself. Let's keep going. Page 99. Read and write. Hide and seek. The baby animals are playing hide and seek. The puppy is, and you just need to choose. Where do you think the puppy is? Is the puppy on the swing? No. Is the puppy on top of the swing? No. Is the puppy behind the swing? Yes. So write behind. If you have a hard time remembering what we use for prepositions, use this list to help you. If you don't remember which words are prepositions, use this list to help you. Okay? Try the next ones by yourself. After you are finished, try B, read and write. The puppy. It is behind the swing. We already know. How do you think we begin these questions? That's right. We do it the same way that we did these questions over here. We always start with where is or where are. It depends on how many of something there is. So the puppy, is there one or many? Just one. So we will write, where is the puppy? Here. Where is the puppy? Let's look at number 2. What about the kittens? How many kittens are there? There's 2, that's right. So for number 2, we will write, where are the kittens? They are, the seesaw, whatever you choose, okay? Please complete this page by yourself, and then we will send you the answer key so you can check. Next page, Unit 22, prepositions of time. Now, we're going to use similar words as in the previous unit, but instead of talking about place, we're talking about time. Prepositions are the same. They still help us understand the relationship between two things. But instead of place, I'm under the box, in the box, next to the box, we're learning about time. Like at a time of day, on a day or date during the month, or in a month and season. Whenever we're talking about at a specific time, we use at. For example, when do you go to Andover? At 4 o'clock. When do you go to sleep? At 7:30. When do you eat lunch? At noon. We always say at when we're talking about a time. If you see a number and o'clock, if you see the colon, like a time on a digital clock, or if you see something like noon or midnight, that is also a time. We use the word on to talk about a day of the week or a date in the calendar. So for example, when do you have dance class? On Monday. When do you go to church? On Sundays. When is your birthday? On May 5th. We use in to talk about a whole month. So for example, remember this is different. If you see a number, a month and a number, we use on May 5th. This is one day. When we have one day, we use on. But if we're talking about the whole month with no day, we say in. For example, when is your birthday? It's in July. When is your favorite season? It's in July. You don't have to say on July unless you have a date. In winter, when is Christmas? In winter, we use a season, we say in. And finally, in the morning. So again, if you don't know an exact time, you say in. When do you have breakfast? In the morning. Or when do you have breakfast? At 7:30. We use at for a specific time, on for a day, in for a month or a season, or a time that has no numbers. Okay? So let's try to practice by saying these sentences together. I'm going to point. I want you to repeat after me. I get up at 7 o'clock. We have lunch at noon. It is snowy in winter. Tom's birthday is on Monday. Halloween is in October. The Christmas party is on December 24. When is your birthday? It is on September 18th. When is your vacation? It is in August. When is lunchtime? It is at noon. Now you try reading these by yourself. Let's keep going. Next page. Read and write. You have a word bank with different options and the category at, on, in. All you have to do is remember your examples, use your examples from the first page. Follow the examples here. At, on, in. At, on, in. Okay? Compare these two charts. For example, at 3 o'clock, we know that 3 o'clock goes in the at column because look, there's 4 o'clock here. It's very similar. Let's see what else we use for at. At 7:30, do you see a time? Oh, look, 7:30. Let's write it under the at column. What else should we say for at? At noon. Oh, do you see noon? No, but you do see night. Night. Night is a time that doesn't have a number. For example, when do you go to bed? At night. When do you dream? At night. So we put night here. Try using on and in by yourself. Compare the two charts and do your best to match them. Take a picture and send it to me, and I will check your answers. page 102. Look and write at, on, or in. When is Halloween? It is in October. Remember that if we don't have a specific date, we say in. What about the second one? It is October 31st. If we have a specific day with a number, we use on. It is on October 31. When is Halloween? It is Thursday. When we have a specific day of the week, we also use on. So numbers 2 and 3 for number 1 are both on. It is on October 31. It is on Thursday. Try these two by yourself. D, write at, on, or in. Same thing. When is Jimmy's birthday party? It is in June. It is June 22nd. What is the rule for when we have a specific day with a number? Look at this example. Oh, same thing. We have a month and a day. Month and day. So we write on. It is in June. It is on June 22nd. Keep reading. Try the rest by yourself. And finally, last page 103. Read and write at, on, or in. Dear Kelly, please come to my birthday party. It is August 10. We know this rule by now. If we have a month and a day, a date with a number, then we say on. Okay, keep going with the rest of A. And B, look and write. When is Andy's birthday party? It is summer. When we have a season and no month or day, we say in. That's right. It is in summer. Keep going with on, at, or in. Do your best to use your examples from the beginning of your unit, and I will check your answers after you take a picture of your book and send them to me. Thank you for watching. Bye.